Hi, my name is Shazib, and this is my 10 and 11 main project, Automated Soil Monitoring and Watering System, Arduino Kit, and MATLAB. So the first learning outcome is the flowchart, which introduces the voltage value to the system, and then we have the if statements and the loop. If the soil is dry, then the pump turns off. If not, it turns off, and then that has an infinite loop, which goes on and on and on. For the second learning outcome, you can see we use the while true, which is an infinite loop, and then we have the conditional statement that if the soil is dry, turn on the pump, and if not, then turn off. Like you see, it turns on, waters, and when it gets wet enough, it turns off. For the third learning outcome, we have the function that we define is as if the water is needed in the system, and then the decision making of the function is that if the soil is dry, water the system, if not, turn off. And for the first learning outcome, we have a system that depends on only two things. One, the soil sensor and the voltage reading of the sensor, which sends the decision to the kit, which sends the relay kit, and the relay kit turns off or on the pump, which depends on the voltage of the system. So the fifth learning outcome is that we created a lifetime graph of the soil sensor that reads the value of the voltage after every second, and we can see that it shows us the relative graph and value, and we also define the moisture value as the wetness. So the more wet it is, the less water it needs. And for the seventh learning outcome, we can see that the soil sensor sends a signal to the board, which sends a signal to the kit, and then the kit decides to turn on the pump, which turns on the water, and then the water senses the soil sensor also sends the water, which sends it back to the board, and then thus turning off the pump. Thank you.